Another way to import data specifically from your SCS 900 device is to first sync up your controller. You can see here under my Trimble Synchronize Your Data folder, I've synced my controller. I have this controller here called SCS 900, and within that I have a folder called Trimble SCS 900 Data. And then you can see all the projects that I've synced up to my controller or synced from my controller. So I want to import this data into Business Center. So there's a couple ways that you can do this, and this method here is quite simple. So if I've created a new project, in this case, let's say that we set a crew out there, they did some Topo, and we want to bring that data into Business Center. So I just started a new project. It's still unnamed. I haven't saved it. I'm going to go right to the Construction Data tab, and I'm going to click on Job Sites. Now I'm going to add an external site versus creating a new one. The external site, you can see I'm going to pull from that list of projects that we have. So I am going to pick on this one here, which is this Auburn YMCA. I'm going to click OK, and that's going to go ahead and import in that particular file. So now you can see here that it's brought in the control points from that, and it's also showing you all the control points, as well as it has the FXL file that was on that controller. And the other step is to basically right click on it and actually go up to the work order and import my results. So on this particular job, there was a work order where they went out and they collected Topo. So all I have to do is click on import the results of the work order. It finds the work order information, and go ahead and pick on that as results of the Topo. And when I click import, you'll see that now it's actually brought in the Topo points that were collected out on that particular project.